This is the Excellence Club 2-story rooftop terrace suite with private pool, ocean view. We'll walk in to the bathroom first. Double sinks, separate water closet, shower. You have a rain shower head and a wand. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash is included. Nice selfie mirror here. Walk-in closet, you're gonna have another mirror in there. You're gonna have some drawers, your safe, plenty of hangers. They give you some outdoor towels for the pool, robes, slippers, beach bag. They don't do an iron and an ironing board, but they do have a steamer. Nice little desk over here. I think this kind of doubles as a vanity. I love that they have the mirror there. King size bed. This room has 2 TVs. So we have a TV in here for the bedroom. And then this is kind of closed off a little bit. So they have these doors. Obviously it's still see-through, but you can kind of close it a little bit. So if you want to have a little bit of a separate space. And then in the living room area, they have another TV, your liquors that are included. If you finish a bottle, they will get you more. You just have some empty spots down there for storage. Over here, you have your coffee maker and your mini bar, and the mini bar is going to be restocked daily. Here is your jacuzzi tub. So for this, you have to fill the water up, and they said it's kind of a slow process, and then you hit the buttons to make it work. And this gorgeous view, look at this. So out here, you have your chase lounger and your bistro table. And we'll go up the stairs. And then out here you have a nice big couch. A Bali bed. Outdoor shower. And your pool. And this gorgeous view. If you would like to book this room using a travel agent, I would love to help you. You can reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com. You'll submit a quote request. I book directly through the Excellence travel agent portal, so everything is exactly the same as if you booked yourself. When you book direct with Excellence, you pay a commission regardless of if you use a travel agent or not. So if you don't use a travel agent, the resort just makes a little bit extra money. So support a small business just like mine, and we would be so grateful. You still get the same terms, you still get the seasons transfer, you still get the 24-hour cancellation policy, you still get rewards points and all of that. So I hope to hear from you soon. If you have any questions, leave them down below.